Hey, you're stealing the show. Thank you. So we're here today to put sounds together in words. So here we go. Our first word is, you see it? Okay. Go ahead and say the sounds. P. Again. P. One more time. P. Now, if you put those sounds together, can you tell me what word it makes? Go ahead and say it one more time for us. Up. Did you say up? So all of these words are like place words where you can put something maybe or throw something. If it's a ball, you can throw it up. Okay, you ready for our next one? I think you are. Okay, you see it? Again. Help us out one more time, please. What's our word? Did you say off? Take the ball off of the shelf. Okay, here's our next one. Okay. Again. One more time. What's that word? On. Put the ball back on the shelf. Okay, you ready? Okay, one more time. Okay, thank you. Okay, now our word is again. Once more. Okay, what's our word, guys? In. It's in the box. And this is our last one, okay? Go ahead. Out. Again. Out. One more time. Out. Thank you. Okay, guys, what's our word? Out. Take it out of the box. I hope you had a good time. Bye. Bye.